Are y'all rough watching this?
Each year, almost 100 children disappear from within the barn of fear at Kimglow Farm during the night. It is said the demons haunting the barn feed on them. If you listen quietly, you can still hear their screams of terror. For those who make it out should consider themselves lucky. We are the demons. We are the ghosts. We are what nightmares are made of.